Hi everyone, Liz here, thanks for stopping by. So I've got a package today and this is a diamond painting. Oh my goodness, I'm hoping it's going to be okay. It's a little bit of a bigger one for me, so it won't go with my challenge at the moment. But yeah, so let's get into this and see what we got. It's come in a plastic bag and it's come in a plastic boot as well, and oh, we're all the little teeny tiny diamonds. Oh wow, goodness me, heck, that is an awful lot of gems. Wow. So let's have a look at the canvas. Interesting. So, oh look, it's got two little bits of foam at the end there, look, so that we can keep it in place while it's been in transit. So it's been a long way. Right, so this is a 65 by 50 diamond painting. It is double-sided tape. Oh no, but I just loved the design and I've bitten the bullet and I'm gonna give it a go. Look at all those drills. Oh, and they're all in those little bags. There's nothing wrong with the drills in the bags. They are exactly the same as most drills that come in the long snakes or trains or whatever. It's just that they do take an awful lot of kitting up when you have got all those little bags. Okay, so let's just have a quick look at the picture and then we'll have a look at everything else that came with it. So let's have a bit of a roll out. Ooh, it's a nice soft canvas as well. Oh heck, it's in two pieces of the cover sheet, so we have got a bit of a line going down the middle there, but on the whole this canvas is in a pretty good condition. If you have seen my videos with all my experiments of trying to destroy a double-sided canvas, then you will know that they're not irreparable, or most of them, or the ones that I tried aren't. And I did get some friends to try as well and see what they thought to the double-sided canvas, rolling them back up and sending them through the post, and they were all okay and okay to use. So we have a little teeny tiny thumbnail there and it's all little dogs, look. But if you can just spot just there's a little Scotty dog, so it just had to be done. We have a Scotty dog. Okay, it looks like it's all symbols and numbers and letters. We have got DMC codes, so let's have a look at the inventory sheet. Just leave it to stay flattened out a little bit. Don't you think I'm brave getting a bigger canvas? But I have, oh, and it's in squares as well. I've forgotten I'd ordered it in squares. So I've got a huge 65 by 50 centimetre canvas in square drills. On double-sided tape. So this one will take a long time to do, but it has got a lot of detail, so I did want to get it bigger. It's come from the FULLCANG official store on AliExpress, and with taxes and everything it cost me £15.07. So our little toolkit is a little flat bottomed white boat with a big square of wax. We've got some grip seal bags, we've got some of the cheapish tweezers with the little bend at the end. I'm a poet and I don't know it. And a pink pen with a single placer. Oh, I thought I might have got a multi-placer with this one. I don't think there is any. No, so up from a basic toolkit, but it's okay. I wouldn't like to use that tray and that single placer though, and those tweezers for doing this project. I would definitely need a bigger tray. So let's get into this and see how many colours we've got. Oh, did I just spot? Oh, well, it's a bubblegum pink. It's not a hot pink, but it's bubblegum pink. Okay, so our little inventory sheet there. So it is 44 colours. And we have, let's see what's got the most number of gems on it. We've got 4,447 of 3370, which is like a beigey colour. 3865. Your off-white winter white colour is 4418, and 3959 of 754. 310s is 3029. Wow. So yeah, there's some with quite a lot of different colours, a lot of different bags of gems. Looks like, oh, we've got 84 there of 899, so that's our pink. So we've just got one bag of pink. These bags tend to be bags of about 200, although one lady did count them and say there's about 280 in some of them. So, but that's your little thumbnail. Look at all those dogs. I think that's super if you say going to a dog show and you're wanting like a background picture. Obviously it does go bigger and it does go smaller as well, but I don't really want it smaller because some of these little heads are quite tiny. Look at that one there, that little is that a Chihuahua? Yeah, that's a little Chihuahua down there, look. And it's very small. So what have we got? We've got Dalmatian. We've got 2 types of Labrador and a black Labrador. So we've got all 3, chocolate, golden and black. We've got a little Dachshund there, Cavalier King Charles, Chihuahua, Corgi, Border Collie. That's an American Cocker Spaniel because it's got the shorter nose and the longer ears. A Beagle. That looks like a Greyhound or a Whippet. We've got our Scotty dog. We've got a Boston Terrier, a long-haired Dachshund, West Highland White Terrier, Jack Russell, Pomeranian, Great Dane, Mastiff, Yorkshire Terrier, Maltese, Springer Spaniel, Bulldog, English Bulldog, Bichon Frise, Vanarama, Standard Poodle, Boxer, little Schnauzer there, probably a miniature Schnauzer, English Bull Mastiff, not Bloodhound, Basset Hound, Border Terrier. That looks like a Newfoundland. That looks like Siberian Husky. That's a Staffordshire Bull Terrier, English Cocker Spaniel, Rottweiler, St Bernard, German Shepherd, Border Collie. Sorry, that's probably a Sheltie, a Shetland Sheepdog, a small version of a Rough Collie. That looks like another Dachshund, possibly. I think that's another colour of a Dachshund, a smooth-haired Dachshund. That's a Dandy Dinmont. Love those, absolutely love those. Oh, now then, so is that is quite possibly then a French Bulldog, actually, looking at it, although it's got quite big ears, because I think that's your Boston Terrier there. That's an Alaskan Malamute. That's a bearded collie. That one looks like a Cairn Terrier. And then we've got a pug. Did I say the Boxer? Yeah, I think I did. So a mix of dogs there. Can you tell I've spent years going to Crufts and yeah, doing lots of dogs and things on my cards. So yeah, I just thought that was lovely. It will go in my craft room once it's done, but it's certainly not going to be one that's done fast. Okay, I'm not going to take all these drills out. I think you can sort of see the colours. Looks like we've got 500 bags here. These have 500 in the larger ones, rather than the little 200. So yeah, that's only 3865s at the end. So yeah, that is a lot of drills. Goodness me, that is going to take some kitting up. So watch this space. At some point I will be kitting this up. Okay, pop that on one side. Right, let's have a look at this canvas then and see what sort of detail we look like. Oh, we're not too bad. Oh, look. Oh, look at those little faces. Oh, yeah, I definitely want this on the wall. I love Dandy Dinmonts. They've got a real small body and a long body and small legs, but really, really big eyes that just look at you and, oh, you just want to pick them up and cuddle them. Quite a few of these breeds are actually on the endangered species list as well, or the endangered dog breed list, because some of them just are not getting the puppies if they're not fashionable. Oh, I've just picked that double-sided tape up there. That was not good, Liz. Picked it up with the cover sheet. Just try and pull this back. Okay, but it's very, very nice. Oh, look at our little Scotty dog. It was the Scotty that I spotted. I won't stick into it. So that's the reason why I ordered it, because we've got our beautiful Scotty, which does look like, oops. We've got our beautiful Scotty, which does look like my little Millie Mo. But I do love all dogs. We used to have a Westie, and I did used to have an American Cocker Spaniel as well. So that's quite funny, really, that the American Cocker Spaniel is next to the Scotty dog. The Westie's a little bit further away. Yeah, that would be my little Harvey that I had. He was very much an on his own type dog. Yeah, if he did if you asked him to do something and he did it, he was going to do it anyway. Yeah, it was just coincidence. We have got quite a crease down the middle, actually, where this piece of cover sheet has met in the middle, but that's just to be expected, to be honest, on these double-sided. We'll see what it's like when I do get around to actually doing the diamond painting. But yeah. Okay, just smooth that down a bit. I don't need to take the other end up, because to be fair, it's come in really, really good condition, this, other than the crease down the middle. Let me just show you the back. Oh, I've just creased it a little bit there. I'll just have to flatten that down a bit better again. But it's a lovely soft canvas, so it will flatten out really well. Let me just do these edges, because I don't want to cause trauma to it. As I say, I do know how to solve it. I do have my little Derma roller to take the bubbles out of diamond paintings, the double-sided tape ones. But I don't want to have to do that if I don't have to. Just flatten that down nicely. So yeah, on the whole, I'm pretty pleased. It's an extra little purchase after I said I wasn't buying any more, but I just can't resist a Scotty dog. What can I say? Just do this corner here. Sorry, you can't really see it very well. The whole canvas is bigger than my desk. See if I've done it. Yeah. Oh, I've just got one bubble there. Just flatten that out. You can actually, if you get your trays, if you've got the large white trays, just use your large white tray to flatten any bubbles and creases out. Oops, sorry about the noise. It was the tray scraping against the canvas I've missed. Yeah, lovely, see. So if you've not got a roller or anything, you can just use the other side of your tray. Okay, so huge canvas with lots of drills. Oh my goodness me. And the little toolkit. Okay, well, I think that's about all I have to say about this one. It's certainly going to be proof of the pudding is in the eating, as they say. Oh, put that upside down, look. All the dogs have stood on their heads. I mean, to be honest, they look okay, drills, but you do need to use them and see if there's going to be any trash. You do tend to get little bits of extra bits stuck on squares and things, so, you know, it's just something to look out for. But yeah, so this is my canvas. This is a big project that I've taken on. I may live to regret actually buying one this size in double-sided tape. I would have preferred it poured glue, but hey ho, you can't have everything. And that's how they keep the prices down as well, by using double-sided tape. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed looking at this with me. If you have, a thumbs up is always much appreciated. Any comments or questions in the comments down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And if you want to come back and see what I get up to next, then if you press that subscribe button down in this corner and the all notifications bell that pops up, you'll be notified when any of my videos come up, so you're not going to miss anything. Yay! Okay, thanks ever so much for stopping by, and I do hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.